In this video, we'll look at Lead Liaison's Eloqua connector. When you're using our event lead management platform, you can automatically sync leads that you capture into Eloqua campaigns. You can also save event metadata into the contact and account objects. Let's start out with the campaign builder. Inside of an Eloqua campaign, you'll see our new Lead Liaison lead capture feeder. I'm going to drag this over, and then when I configure the feeder, I'm able to select from any of the events I've created inside of Lead Liaison. Once I've selected my event, I can choose how frequently I want to sync leads over. After I've selected my event, it'll ask me to map fields between Lead Liaison and Eloqua. Notice that I can select any field, standard or custom, from inside of Lead Liaison to any contact field inside of Eloqua. In this case, the system will check for new leads every 30 minutes. You won't have to take any additional actions for the feeder to run. After that, it's just a matter of building out your campaign however you'd like. In this example, I've created a simple email drip campaign. As the leads are fed in through our feeder, we'll send them an email. Then we're going to wait 1 day, and if the prospect has or has not clicked on that previous email, we'll send one of 2 follow-up emails. It's that easy to start marketing to event leads. When you connect Lead Liaison and Eloqua, we'll also create a new custom object. With this custom object, I'm able to map any event metadata into contact or account records. For example, I could save the event campaign into a special contact field. In this case, I'm going to map this into a Salesforce.com campaign ID. You're able to map any of our metadata, including both event and submission data. By connecting Lead Liaison and Eloqua, you'll have a seamless process from lead capture to lead nurture.